Hi guys. So our dishwasher bit the dust and I was originally going to try and fix it, but I don't know what the cause is. It's just not washing. So we elected to just buy a new dishwasher. Or that I'd pressure washed everything, like took it completely apart, cleaned all the arms and everything so it was the cleanest it ever was, and it just like still isn't working. And then I did the factory reset lastly. That was the last thing, and then it worked. So I was like, sweet, we don't have to buy a new dishwasher.
Surprise, motherfucker.
And then it's still broken. And now we're just gonna replace it, but first I gotta take this thing out of here. So I've turned the power off, I've turned the water off, and I've turned my wife off. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Just leftover water that was in there. Slow it
Yeah.
down.
Thank God. Could you imagine? God, there's a lot of water that came out of there. Thanks. This is called a shark bite, I'm pretty sure. But even if I'm not, I don't give a fuck. Whoa. Oh, I get jokes. Who needs a wrench? Get out of here. It's going a lot faster than I thought.
Well, that's good, right?
Yeah, I gotta take this thing out.
Okay, so everything should come out so that nothing gets wet.
Exactly.
Cool.
Can't do nothing with those gloves.
So while Nick is gone to get the new dishwasher, I am going to clean out the space where the dishwasher was and also under the sink so that when I reload it, it's starting fresh. There it is, folks. Life's good.
Well, I had a really nice salesman at Home Depot. I had to wait a bit. The selection was pretty rough. I couldn't get a Frigidaire because they just are, it'd be a waiting period. But the guy said I'd buy an LG anyways. He said Samsung is garbage for everything except microwaves. So that's cool. Close parking, like right next to the handicap stall close. And they brought it out and I had to help the guy load it, but still, I didn't have to bring it out of the store. Oh, another funny story is like, I was waiting for the card machine to accept my card. And while the guy was talking, he's like, okay, sir, here's your receipt and you have a good day. And I'm like, I haven't paid yet. And he's like, he's like, this is a $2,000 receipt. He's like, thank you for being honest. You could have just walked out of here with this thing. Big reveal. You just hear metal scraping.
So we did decide to go with stainless steel, even though our other appliances are white, because first of all, whoever makes these rules doesn't rule us. And I think that because we have like gray and it's on a separate plane of the kitchen, I think that it'll be just fine.
Fancy.
I would just like to note that all of our handles, like our hardware in the kitchen, is silver or like stainless steel colored, as is our sink. So I think that the choice in a stainless steel dishwasher is going to match quite nicely. What is your first impression of it so far?
I don't know if daunting is the right word, but I mean, we've never bought an appliance before.
Ready?
Turning it on.
There's power! Cute! It's so cute! Ooh, look at that dishwasher!
I don't know how. Yeah, okay. We'll go with it. Goes like that.
Nick got it all installed, and Jacob's already been to it with a magnet. And yeah, it's on its maiden washing voyage right now.
Oh yeah.